the garage, because I don't think I've shown them. This is where the magic is going to happen.
What magic?
All the car magic, truck magic, motorcycle magic.
Auto wizard shit?
Auto wizard shit.
Pinche vaca.
Let's go snap.
Oh!
Fuck! Yeah? My bad, bro. So I got my car here. And my lights are out. I've been riding around with the high beams. So I'm gonna see if I can put a bulb in here, if that's all it is, or what's up. But I'm gonna probably knock the bumper out and take the headlight out, because I can't get it through the back. What's up, guys? So Operation Remove the Headlight and Put a New Bulb was a fail on the TL. I'm gonna show you a quick run through of how to remove the bumper. I wouldn't go by this guide though, because I'm missing a lot of stuff. I bought the car, you know, used or whatever, and just in the conditions that I bought it were not the greatest, and it's missing like half of the screws, half of the everything. But I started off by removing basically all of the clips that were at the top, on the side of the fender liner, the bottom, and I believe there's two sticking out in the bottom. You'll see later on. But I proceeded to remove the Phillips that it has on the side from the fender to the bumper, and I snapped that out of place. Came out really pretty simple. And this one was broken, so I didn't even have to remove the screw, but I removed it anyways. And then I snapped this out of place. This car needs a lot of freaking work, but I'll get to it eventually. But like I said, I just started snapping off the bumper. And then once I did that, I realized that it had two of them in the bottom that you couldn't see. I couldn't see, but I only showed one here, but it has another one on the opposite side. And once I remove those, the bumper just comes off easily. Although I began to remove the headlight, and the headlight is actually pretty tough to get out. It's got a bunch of brackets, and then it goes kind of looped under the fender, so you have to loosen the fender a bit to remove the actual headlight out. So it takes a little bit of work. But right here I'm removing just the headlight. And then you're going to see later on that I can't actually get it out, so I have to loosen some of the fender. This is where I start to struggle. And I loosened that bracket there, but it wasn't enough, so I had to remove the whole bracket. And this bracket is just held up by some Phillips. And then on the back, it just has like a little pressure clip that you have to push apart, or push together actually, and it pops it right out. And then this is where I begin to loosen the fender, because I couldn't get the actual headlight out just like that. So I proceed to remove the headlight, loosen the fender, sorry. All of this had to be done in order to change the bulb, my low beam. I've been running around with the high beam on. I mean, it works because my lights suck and they're not that bright, but I'm trying to fix it and get it right. So yeah, I decided to do this. And I finally removed all my wires, disconnected all my wires, and it finally came out. And then when I come to open it, I realized something.
Hey!
That this thing actually requires a special light bulb. It's not a regular, ordinary light bulb. It's one of those, I don't know what you call these, projectors, LEDs. I don't know what the hell you call this. But I couldn't put any old regular light bulb in there, so I'm probably gonna have to order one or see, probably Amazon. So this was pretty much a fail. I'm just showing you guys what you guys need to do in order to take the headlight out and replace your light bulb. And yeah, you basically have to remove the bumper, loosen the fender, drop a lot of stuff before you can actually get access to your headlight. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll buy the light bulb later, and I'll probably install the one that needs to be installed so I can get it working properly. But as always, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys around for more. Peace.